So here's the truth about LS swaps. They sometimes can be a pain in the ass. As you can see, the same situation with Big Red Caprice. I had to do a head gasket job. The car kept overheating, and I'm wondering, trying to figure out why. And then I heard a noise, and it's leaking coolant from back there. Like basically it's leaking coolant from one of these hoses right here, which means the damn the head has to be cracked. So I'm assuming somebody maybe used some like these bolts right here. These bolts right here are the same size as the OEM size bolts lengthwise, but at some point somebody must have put the wrong bolt in there. It must have messed up, maybe went through the wall or something. I don't know, I have no idea. But I'm taking the heads off, and oh man, it sucks real bad. Car looks filthy underneath here. I'm so pissed right now. So I'm getting to it. It's all about having the right tools, man, and I don't have them. I don't have the right tools, man, which is very unfortunate, but it is what it is, man. I'm gonna go buy them at this point. I'm not about to keep dicking around with stupid stuff. This car gotta go. I got a gang of stuff, man. I could show y'all a sneak peek, man, but I don't know. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm very pissed off and frustrated. Look, I spend the dough every single time, and I buy whatever people want for their motors, man. I buy them. I never go to the junkyards and buy a motor, nothing. I always buy them off the street. This and that, the third, man, and it never fucking fails. The last, let's start with the Big Red Caprice. Big Red Caprice. I don't know if this is a rant or whatever it is. Just I'm pissed off right now. So with Big Red Caprice, I had to replace the head gasket, and then that didn't work. So I had to pull the whole damn motor out and buy a new motor out of my pocket after I already bought one. On this 88 Monte Carlo, I bought 2 transmissions. Both were fucked up, so I took it to the transmission shop for him to fix it. Then I get it. I'm trying to figure out, drive and see what the hell is overheating. As you guys can see, you know, the head gasket or whatever. I got the head gaskets right here. I'm about to replace them. I got the bolts and everything. Those are new heads that I'm gonna put on them. I just gotta clean them up and stuff. But check this out. Another motor needed a head job. So I'm like, all right, whatever. I'm just gonna do the head job right now. You know what I'm saying? Since I'm doing one head job, might as well do 2 of them at one time, because this one right here, as you can see, has broken bolts in every single one. So I'm like, oh, whatever, that's nothing. I just swapped the head. So here's the motor. Keep in mind, as you guys can see, I got the head off. So now I'm about to go get a razor blade, scrape all that stuff off, and go to Bato Zone, get the gasket replaced, and get it cracking today. Try to get this thing right back started today and test it out. I'm anxious to know. Here's the damn gasket right here. Yeah. Whoop City. So no clickbait here. Motor is out. Not the update y'all wanted. Damn sure wasn't the update that I wanted, but you know, it is what it is. But having some issue here is I'm finding the 6.0, and people, anything I buy from now on gotta have a warranty on it. So, whew, man, these prices is high as hell. People talk about $3,000 for a 6.0 motor and trans. That's higher than giraffe pussy, man. They out here tripping. So, I mean, I'm gonna try to find a 6.0 for a reasonable price. I don't want to go with a 5.3 in this one, but I mean, shit, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned for the next update. See, this is the same exact transmission I bought from the 02 Camaro. Y'all can see I replaced the head gasket right there. But for some reason, the damn thing's still leaking, so I'm about to have to try to figure it out and see what the problem be. The block gotta have a crack in it, so I gotta find that, man, and see what's up with it. See all new bolts, new head gasket. But that wasn't a problem this time. So your boy hella salty, man, but it is what it is. I didn't want to leave y'all with no update. I guess some update is better than no update. So that's the update on the Monte Carlo. Now that I put this motor out, I got to go drop another motor in another project that I'm doing. So it's working all day. I took a week off, and I don't regret it at all. I feel cool. But now I got to get back to work. Get your paper, brothers and sisters. Oh, wait.